Hey, welcome to the Wyoming RC Way.
Hey, welcome to the channel. Got something a little out of the ordinary, but it's really cute, I think. I just couldn't help myself. I just had to open it and play with it. But I did do a full review, but it's great because it's something you can take to the office. And it's kind of like an all-in-one little thing. Here it is. It's a little drift car with the remote, and you don't have to worry about having two things because what? Let's get into it.
Got a review here for you for 1/64th mini drift car. All the stuff on it. I don't remember what color I got. I think I got the blue. It looks like gray, blue, a green. And a nice transmitter, it looks like. RC race car, 1/64th. We got some 4 cones. I did a Phillips. USB-A and USB-C charging cable. Transmitter. Oh, that is awesome. We'll check that out here in a second. USB-C charging cable. So you can put that in there charging. Trim things right there. We do have a little bit of power. And I think I know what this is for. This is awesome. We'll get to that in a second. And there's the little 64th car. And we got the blue. It's a dark blue. I'm not sure how well it's coming out, but it just has metal wheels. That's okay. And then this is the part that I think is really cool, I think. Yep. It kind of magnetizes in there. There's some magnets. Oh, yep, right there. Looks like you have to charge this separately though. Yeah, you have to charge this separately, but you really throw that in your backpack. You got your car and your remote. How freaking cool is that? A little catch on it. Put your little car out. Close that. We'll turn that on. Turn our little card on. Okay, let's see. so when you go forward, the lights get a little brighter. Go back. Go reverse, they get a little brighter. And in reverse, your headlights don't go brighter. So that's a nice thing. Ooh, has a little gyro. So this first button looks like a speed. There's not much change, but I can hear that there is a difference in speed. And this one, you can make your lights just flash. Okay, and it's set up for forward brake reverse. So forward, if I go automatically to forward, it's just going to stop. So that's brake. So forward, brake, reverse. So if you're going forward, if you just try to go right to reverse, it's not going to do it. You see? Watch, I'll go full forward and then I'll slam it for reverse. And you'll see it'll just stop. In order for me to get it to go in reverse, I'll have to bring the throttle back to normal or to neutral and then go reverse. So forward, reverse, see, just go brake, and then I can go in reverse. Let's see if there's any more lighting. Nope. They're either on or flashing. Of course. You got your throttle trim. Oh, that's your steering trim, sorry. So you can watch it, see that they're turning. So that's when you're trying to go in a straight line, if I'm going a straight line, that's what this one's for. So you can make it go in a straight line. Sure what that was for. But anyway, it's really cool. I'll get everything charged up and we'll give her a rip.
I just wanted to show you something else for the gyro. See, right now it's... Just want to show you something else for the gyro. Right now it's maxed out, which is this one. I have it maxed out. And if you turn it down, you can actually turn it off. There you go. Well, there you have it. You get one, I guarantee you're gonna have a lot of fun with this thing. Plus, you know, it's just so easy just to stick in your backpack or whatever, and you have something ready to go all the time. And you just charge everything. Just everyone has a USB-C cable with them, right? So if your little cargo's dead and your transmitter is dead, all I can do is plug in a USB-C right there. Charge that up. You know, when you're done with the day or whatever, you charge that up. Put that in there. Overnight, this is charged up, ready to go. And then maybe real quick, throw another charge in there. Just top it off again. You're ready to go for the rest of the day. Anyway, as I said, you're gonna love it if you get one. And the link will be in the description. So anyway, remember, if you don't mind, it doesn't cost you anything, but it'd mean the world to me, just to let me know that you guys enjoy what I'm doing and stuff like that. But if you could like, subscribe, share, especially if you find this really interesting and cool, and then you know, comment down below. Let's get some conversation going about this stuff. And whatever you do, remember, run it the Wyoming Cowboy way. Safe, fun, built right.